failed three times for the middle schools. For 3 years I tried to fill in the universities. So I applied jobs for 30 times, got rejected. After that I applied for Harvard for 10 times, rejected. I know you rejected. I think we have to get used to it. If you don't do it, nothing's possible. If you try to do it, at least you have the hope.
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.